Good afternoon. Today we are at 700 2nd Street Northwest in Hayfield. We're going to be performing a brittle and repairability test on the shingles here. Alright, so as you can see, we've marked out 3 shingles here. So we're going to have to break the seal on these top 2 shingles here in order to access the nailing zone on our damaged shingle down low here. So this is the shingle we're going to be removing and replacing with a new shingle. Alright, now the seal on the top 2 shingles has been broken. Now we're moving on to our shingle that we will be replacing. As you can see, all of the seals are now broken. So I'm going to have to lift up this top shingle here in order to access these nails. So we'll move this nail, remove this nail, remove this nail. We'll do the same thing over here. Remove this nail. Remove this nail, remove this nail, remove this nail here. Now I'll be able to pull this shingle out. We'll be lifting this shingle again, slide our new shingle in place, get that set, lift this shingle here, slide our new shingle in place, get that set. Now we'll come back here, place our nail, place our nail, place our nail, place our nail. So now we've got that all set there. We'll set this back down. Now we'll lift it again so we can get our silicone. Now, if you can see from there, the shingles on the top portion here have cracked. And I'll also get a close-up of this. So these shingles have failed the repairability or brittle test. As you can see, these shingles are too brittle. So in the process of removing and replacing this shingle here, we're going to damage the surrounding shingles. And then now that this shingle needs to be replaced, we're going to have to do this one as well, and so on and so forth until we get up to the ridge.